In Gwalior district, Ghatigao Ladli Behna conference was held on Friday. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav attended the program and started it by lighting a lamp. He also performed Kanya Pujan. The Chief Minister transfers rupees 1836 crore into the bank account of 1.26 crore women under the Ladli Behna scheme. During the event, he also inaugurated and laid the foundation for 54 development project worth rupees 122 crore. The Chief Minister arrived at the venue by helicopter from the airport Vijay Radhe Scindia terminal. A large number of women gathered at the conference. A special MP-MLA court has given an important verdict in the 2007 Pardi couple murder case in Betul district. The court acquitted former Minister Sukhdev Panse and District Panchayat President Raja Pawar along with 12 other accused. The incident happened in Chauthiya village near Multai. The decision came after 19 years of legal proceedings. For nearly 2 decades, the accused had to attend hearing in a court in Bhopal. The verdict has brought major relief to the accused and has also created political discussion in the district. A robbery similar to the Bollywood movie Special 26 was reported in Dhar district on Friday. 5 men entered a contractor house in Bagtown's Brahman Mohalla. They claimed to be officers from the income tax department. The suspect told the contractor that they had received a complaint about black money and needed to search the house. During the fake raid, they took 500 grams of gold, rupees 4 lakhs cash and 3 mobile phones. Before escaping, they locked the contractor Rajkumar Malvi and his wife inside a room. The robbery happened around 10 am and police have started an investigation. The Madhya Pradesh government has increased the stipend for junior doctors working in state medical colleges. The order was issued by the Medical Education Department after instruction from Health Minister Rajendra Shukla. The revised stipend will be effective from 1st April 2025. The increase is based on the Consumer Price Index. Junior doctor will now receive rupees 77,662 per month, while senior resident doctor will get rupees 90,803. The decision came 4 days after a strike by junior doctors demanding better pay. The government hopes the new stipend structure will improve working conditions and reduce dissatisfaction among doctors in medical colleges. People in several cities of Madhya Pradesh are facing problems booking LPG cylinders. Online booking systems are not working because of server issues. Residents in cities like Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are waiting 7 to 8 days for delivery. Since morning, long queues have been seen outside gas agencies and storage centers. Many consumers say they are unable to book cylinders online. In some places, people have also complained about black marketing of gas cylinders. Authorities are trying to fix the service problem as soon as possible. A new controversy has started in Devas over rules related to the teacher eligibility test. The Madhya Pradesh State Employees Union has submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister and Chief Secretary through the District Collector. The union has demanded government intervention in the issue. According to the union, a recent letter issued by the Directorate of Public Instruction in Bhopal has created confusion and anger among thousands of teachers in the state. Many teachers who have been working for years believe the new rule could affect their service conditions. The district administration in Bhopal has declared the area water scarce and imposed a ban on private tube well and bore well drilling. The order was issued by District Collector Kaushlendra Vikram Singh and has come into immediate effect. The decision was taken to control the falling groundwater level in the district. According to the order, anyone violating the ban may face legal action. An FIR can be registered and the offender may face up to 2 years in jail. Officials say strict monitoring will be done to ensure that groundwater resources are protected. Madhya Pradesh is seeing rising temperatures as summer arrives early this year. In the capital Bhopal, the daytime temperatures is around 36 to 37 degrees Celsius, which is higher than normal for March. Other cities like Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are also experiencing strong heat during the afternoon. Weather experts say many districts are already recording 35 degrees Celsius or more. Clear sky and strong sunlight are increasing the heat. The weather department says temperatures may rise further and could touch 40 degrees Celsius in some areas in the coming days. People are advised to avoid strong sunlight and drink enough water.